First, we need our entry signal. Go to Indicators and add Trend Magic. The rule is simple. Green means look for a buy. Red means look for a sell. But this alone is not enough. It will give you false signals. Next, we confirm momentum. Add the MACD indicator. Go to the settings, change the fast length to 18 and the slow length to 144. This helps us focus on stronger market moves. Our rule is updated. For a buy signal, the MACD histogram must also be green. For a sell signal, the histogram must be red. Finally, the most important layer, the overall trend. Add the Hull Moving Average, or HMA. Change its length to 100, make the line thick. This is your guide. 1. Trend Magic is green. 2. MACD histogram is green. 3. Price is above the 100 HMA. When confirmed, enter your trade. Set your stop loss below the recent low and target a 1.5 to 1 risk to reward. For a valid sell trade, the rules are reversed. 1. Trend Magic is red. 2. MACD histogram is red. 3. Price is below the 100 HMA. Set your stop loss above the recent high. Aim for the same risk to reward. That is the system. Signal, momentum, and trend. Always test any new strategy yourself. This content is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. For more clear trading strategies, subscribe now.